Imagine standing on the edge of a cliff. A strong wind brushes past your face. Above you, an eagle circles effortlessly through the sky. It doesn't flap its wings, it barely moves at all. It simply rides the air. For as long as humans have looked up, we've wondered the same thing. Why can't we do that? After all, we built cities. We crossed oceans. We landed on the moon. Yet no human has ever spread their arms and flown. So, why didn't evolution give us wings? It seems like the perfect upgrade. Flying would let us escape predators, reach food hidden in cliffs, travel without roads, find shelter faster than anything walking on the ground. For hundreds of millions of years, evolution experimented with flight. Insects mastered it first, then came pterosaurs, birds followed. Even mammals found a way. Bats became the only mammals capable of true powered flight. Nature clearly knew how to build wings. So, why did it never build them for us? At first, the answer seems obvious. Humans are simply too heavy. But that explanation falls apart surprisingly quickly. Swans weigh more than many people imagine. Condors can weigh over 15 kilograms. The largest flying animals in history had wings wider than a small room. Clearly, being large isn't impossible. So the mystery remains. The real answer begins millions of years before the first human ever existed. Our ancestors made a trade, one that changed everything. Long before humans appeared, some primates began living in trees. Strong hands became more valuable than wings ever could. Instead of becoming lighter, our ancestors became better climbers. Their fingers grew longer, their thumbs became stronger. They could grasp branches, carry food, care for their young. Eventually, those same hands would carve stone tools, light fires, paint caves, write books, build telescopes, and launch rockets into space. Every feature evolution gives, a species comes with a cost. Nothing is free. Wings are among the most expensive structures biology has ever created. Birds have hollow bones, massive chest muscles, specialized lungs, rapid heartbeats, extraordinary metabolisms. Flying demands enormous amounts of energy. Some birds consume a significant portion of their body weight in food every single day just to keep flying. A flying human wouldn't simply need wings. Nearly every part of the body would have to change. Our skeleton, our muscles, our lungs, even the way our hearts work. Then there is another problem. Our brains. The human brain represents only a small fraction of our body weight, yet it consumes roughly 20% of our resting energy. It is already one of the most expensive organs in nature. Now imagine trying to power that brain, while also powering wings capable of lifting an 80-kilogram body into the air. The energy requirements would become enormous. Evolution faced a choice: build a better flyer, or build a better thinker. It chose the second. Walking also turned out to be remarkably efficient. Humans are among the greatest endurance travelers on Earth. Our ancestors could follow prey for hours, sometimes days, while faster animals eventually collapsed from exhaustion. Our bodies became optimized for distance, rather than height. We traded the sky for the horizon. And perhaps the biggest misunderstanding comes from the way we imagine evolution itself. We often picture evolution as an engineer, as if it looks at every possible design and chooses the best one. But evolution has no plan, no blueprint, no destination. It doesn't ask what would be perfect, it only asks what works well enough to survive today. If a species survives long enough to reproduce, evolution considers the design successful. Not perfect, just successful enough. That is why whales never evolved back into fish. That is why penguins gave up flying. And that is why humans never grew wings, because they didn't need them. Our ancestors found another way. Instead of changing their bodies, they changed the world around them. When birds wanted to cross mountains, they flew. When humans wanted to cross mountains, they built roads, then bridges, then airplanes, then spacecraft. Nature never gave us feathers. It gave us curiosity. It gave us imagination. It gave us hands capable of building what our bodies could never become. Perhaps that's why every civilization dreamed about flying. Not because we were missing something, but because looking upward reminded us of what was possible. In the end, evolution didn't fail to give humans wings. It gave us something stranger, the ability to create them ourselves. Every airplane, every helicopter, every glider, every spacecraft is another pair of wings, just not the kind that grow from our backs. Nature never taught humans how to fly. It taught humans how to imagine. And imagination turned out to be even more powerful than wings.